Google verified review by Tamara Boykin. PetPeePee's revolutionary cleaning technique saved my beautiful rug. My wool antique Oriental rug was completely saturated with urine odor. Every professional rug cleaner said they could clean it, but the vegetable dyes would run and the white areas would be a little pink. Martin at PetPeePee sent my rug back to me odor-free, with the colors intact, brighter and more vibrant than ever before. He provided excellent service, answering every question, making shipping effortless, staying in touch throughout the process, and even providing history I didn't know about the rug. I could not be happier with the results. Mr. Martin, owner of PetPeePee, contracted me to do this voiceover of a Google-verified review by Eva Klein. We have a friend's dog who peed all over a 150-year-old Persian Bijar rug. After a lot of searching, we found PetPeePee. Martin was wonderful, helpful, and charming to work with. The rug and its pad were cleaned flawlessly. More recently, the same visiting dog did the same thing to the same rug. She's a very sweet dog, and we love her, but she seems to have a thing for this particular very antique rug. Back it went to Martin/PetPeePee. We would not consider using any other rug cleaning service. We recommend this service without reservation. Certainly if you have pet pee on a rug, but even if you don't and just need the rug cleaned.
Thank you very much for watching the PetPeePee Oriental Rug Drapery Cleaning Naturally by using the Dead Sea Cleaner. Please stay tuned and see how to fold Oriental Rug for shipping. Thank you. Would you like your Oriental Rug to be clean like this? Call today. Hello. Let me show you how to fold a supersized Oriental rug. 9 by 12, 11 by 14, 11 by 17, 10 by 20. Those type of rug will be easy to fold and ship to PetPeePee Oriental Rug Cleaning. Flip the Oriental rug. Very important. Flip the Oriental rug so the bottom of the rug will face the ceiling. Go the way how I do it. Please. It will save the rug and it will be easy and small like a pancake. Fold the rug. 2 people can do a better job than 1. However, even if you by yourself, fold it nicely, no wrinkles, flat. Then, after this, do about 18 inches every fold. So it will be easy to put it in the big garbage bag. You will see it in the continues. This is the hardest part. That's it. Now, we take a garbage bag, the big one that's sold in Home Depot, the heavy duty, and you put it in one side. 11 by 14 will fit perfectly in it. 9 by 12 heavy rug will go in this garbage bag. Apply the duct tape all over. Measure the Oriental rug and text me the size, the height, the width, and the long, and the dip. That's it. This package is ready to ship. Take the measurement, text me the measurement with your address, and I will email you the UPS label. That's it. UPS will come to your door and pick up the package. I guarantee in writing, upon delivery to my warehouse, when I receive the rug, I will notify you right away. And I will even make a video how I clean your rug so you can watch it on YouTube. Thank you, Mayor Martin, the owner of the PetPeePee.